Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So, at first, let's take a look at what to be expecting this week on gold. At first, gold literally pushed up to this resistance level. We predicted this movement. If you have been following us consistently, we've predicted this movement to the upside. Then eventually tap this resistance level, which I told you it will actually sell, which it has done that. Now, this week, for that, we will see something like this. What is the trend currently doing? This is the lower lows here. I'll start from here. This will be the lower lows. Then here is the lower highs. Next one is, you can see it here, lower lows, and here comes the lower highs. You can see that it is trending downward. This is a new lower lows that took out this previous lows. And what can you see here? Here comes the lower highs. So what is the next movement we are expecting on gold? Definitely we are expecting a new lower lows. So gold will actually take out this previous lower lows you can see here. We have this week and next week for gold to actually do that movement. So if you are looking for anything, would be to sell gold. Gold, you should be looking to sell gold within this week and next week. So there will be more sales coming in on gold. So we need to take out this previous lower lows here. So probably market might push up a little bit to tap in on this trend line properly, or this support in this resistance level. You might push up a little bit, I can't tell, but our bias is to the downside. So if in case it pushes up a little bit, then expecting a sell. So within this week and next week, we should be expecting a sell on gold.